On the last episode,
Oh, I can't wait for that video to drop. It's gonna look so dope. You guys gonna love it. Alright? So then we're gonna move over here to the clutch cable. Don't stand in the light because we need that. We need that. I want you to feel that carbon fiber. That clutch cable cover right there. Carbon fiber. Can't remember how much it was, but I'm definitely gonna put that in the video so you can feel that.
what is up, my beautiful people? It's your boy. It's Mr. 20 West in the building, man. What's going on? Yep, coming live to you with a whole nother vlog. Hopefully you enjoyed my last video of the other carbon fiber parts. That just man, I'm telling you, this project has sold me so much about my bike, and as far as what kind of cool upgrades you can do, it's really making me enjoy my bike more and more every day. So in my last video I talked about the clutch cover. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I did my clutch cover, because I kind of breezed through it. And if you've seen my wheel hub, you see that it's also carbon fiber, and I told you it was a little extra steps that I had to do to make that happen. With this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it. So here we go. First thing first, this is the clutch cover that's on there. It's a protective piece that sits there. This is the clutch cover case, right? Carbon fiber, of course. Yeah, I just really like how the carbon fiber looks. It just says nice quality. You know what I mean? Even if your bike is a janky, clapped out fz09, the carbon fiber just makes it look elegant. You know what I mean? Like a work of art. Alright, now it's time for tool time. You remember that T25 I had showed you earlier? So, T25, I believe, goes like on just about every other screw on the fz09. And I gotta commend Yamaha on being very consistent with their bolts. Now, one thing that you must know, not only just the torque spec, but also Yamaha has this thing where they have the bolts go in certain patterns, as far as having a long one, a short one. So it's really important for you to keep track of which hole you take the bolt out of, because you don't want to grab the wrong bolt and then put it in the wrong hole, just because it's annoying and it won't fit exactly how you had it last time. Luckily, this is just an engine guard, a clutch guard that I'm taking off. Yeah, so wasn't really too difficult. It ain't rocket science, people. It's just a guard. It may not be rocket science, but the whole reason that we're putting this case on, this clutch cover case on, is to prevent against accidents, man. So, might not be rocket science, but it still is an important aspect of the bike. One thing I learned with being a biker is it may not happen now, may not happen tomorrow, but you always want to be prepared for something to go wrong, especially with motorcycles. You just want to keep everything good and looking good for as long as you possibly can. So adding any engine guard covers or anything like that, frame sliders, those are things you use to really protect your bike. All right, next is trying on Fitment, which is basically just marking it up, seeing where the bolts fit, and if they don't, you got to get ready for it. So see how I'm testing the screw, see if it goes through the hole, and then I found out that some of them do and then some of them don't. So with that being said, I went and like I told you, I had to drill some holes. Luckily, you just never know what tool you need, and one thing I find to be very helpful for me is just to have a whole array of stuff, because I didn't think that I would need a drill to do this or put it on my bike. And just like that, we're done. All right, look at that. All right, let's sauce this up and add that sauce to it. Well, that's it, my beautiful people. You made it to the end of the video. As always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you got something out of it. If you could, just hit that subscribe button, man, and maybe share my video. If you're a person thinking about doing your own upgrades, or you just curious to know what a fz09 looks like when it's just absolutely crapped out, one thing for sure, this bike is really going to be unique, and it's definitely going to be a Mr. 20 West favorite from here on out. Well, as always, my beautiful people, peace.
It's a picture. There we go. It's a picture and it's a video.